Hello? Speaking? Yes, I am available. Yeah, and could you please confirm the address? My name is Irina Norton. I was born in Moscow and now I live and work in the UK. I work as a freelance public service and conference interpreter. I also serve as the chairman of the Association of Interpreters and Translators, AIT, and that is my voluntary work. My working languages are Russian and English, Russian A, my native language, and English B, learn as a foreign language. I graduated from Moscow State University as a geologist hydrogeologist. However, since my arrival in the UK in 1998, I have concentrated on perfecting my English skills. I studied English as a foreign language at Braintree College in Essex, and I had an amazing tutor. During this period, I passed First Certificate, Advanced Certificate, and Certificate of Proficiency in English by University of Cambridge Local Examination Syndicate. Back in Moscow, I used to work for the General Prosecutor's Office and have always been interested in the criminal justice system setting. Here in the UK, those who do not speak English require services of interpreters. It is their basic human right to have a fair trial. Having passed the Metropolitan Police Test, which is known as the Diploma in Police Interpreting, I joined the National Register of Public Service Interpreters, the regulatory body here in the UK. It was during my preparation for the exams that I learned about the role of public service interpreters. Hello, it's Irina Norton, Russian interpreter at the front desk. Okay, thank you. Since then, I have been working as a freelance public service interpreter and translator within the criminal justice system. I have been providing my services for a number of organisations, including Crown Courts, Magistrate Courts, Police Forces, Probation Services, Her Majesty Prison Service, including mental health assessment, immigration, and a number of criminal defence solicitors on numerous occasions. My work in public service involves interpreting of police interviews and legal consultations, as well as court proceedings, transcribing and translation of legal documents, such as witness statements, records of interviews, expert reports, counsel advice, and legal letters. My work in magistrate and Crown Courts includes trials, appeals, case management hearings, and mentions. The work as a public service interpreter involves a fair bit of travelling. You can be called unexpectedly, like it happened today, if there is a detainee in custody who requires an interpreter and needs to be interviewed. You have very little time to prepare, which is why it is crucial to be briefed prior to your assignment. Using online glossaries, you can look up any unknown terms. The preparation takes place before, that's when you can look up any unknown terms, during, when you can take notes, and after the assignment, when you can put together a glossary for further references. In court and other public service setting for which you are booked in advance, you have more time to request any material for preparation. You can also learn more about the case during the consultation between the client and his legal advisor, or between the patient and his doctor. Those settings also often require you to side translate for non-English speaking persons. It could be a witness statement, legal forms, leaflets, and many more.
This interview is being recorded.
Это допрос записывается. The best part of the job is the people I work with. It is a professional environment where we're all like-minded. I also feel very rewarded at the job that I do. I genuinely love helping people. It gives me a sense of fulfillment. Working in the public sector makes you realise how crucial your work is, as it allows to safeguard the rights of non-English speakers.